Sorkar Meghalaya pynpaw bakalong Kloi Iakren Harijan Panchayat Committee halor jingpynkynriah kiba METOR lani Harijan colony. Ukonder ulong babaro kide banya jakalinti jongkaan barkumta Sorkar Kloi Iakren but yapenbej banpoi shikachia skothu.
So the committee today has issued a press statement in move of taking over possession over the land, and they've stated that they will die in their homes rather than be forcibly evicted, and they will give sleepless nights to the government. What do you have to say about that?
See, everything has to be moved in a legal manner. There's nobody can go above the law. Of course, they are giving emotionally they are charged and they're giving statements. We are ready to talk to them. We're ready to discuss with them and find an amicable way in which we can resolve this issue. We're very clear, as I said, that we need to find a solution to this. It's been pending too long, and it is for the first time in the history of the state that any government has taken a very strong step and a concrete step towards resolving a very long pending issue. So not easy, but we are committed to this, and we will carry everybody along. We will talk to the people. These might be some individuals who have mentioned this, but if you look at the overall community and the people living there, all are not thinking the same line.
Ukonder ulay thuru baga jingpynkynriah kiba kani jaka kanya yakabenta but yakabamenta la depan pynpynriah ya saupho taliki longye.
There are phases to this entire process. An entire process will be done in a phase-wise manner. And the first phase will be, as I said, the land ownership, and that has been done now. Second phase will be the shifting of the municipal office. Third phase will be shifting of the government employees, whether municipal or others, completely into the designated locations, and these are very good locations that they've been given. So that will be the third phase. And then finally, we will go into the phase where we will find an amicable manner in which we will be able to ask the others or relocate the other people. But that is a process. As I said, we will see and move as it goes along. But the government, based on the decision of the high-powered committee, has decided to move in this manner.
So has the second phase achieved, sir?
I'm not being able to give you the thing right now, but the process has started. As I said last time, also to you, that 40 families had already shifted who were working in the departments. The process of the others also moving will start very soon.